Hey guys, how's it going? This is a quick little synopsis, a little showing you of the CZ1012. It's the first time I've actually ever had a CZ long gun. I'm very familiar with the CZ pistol line, but I just kind of wanted to show you what comes in the case. For the sake of time and make sure you guys didn't sit here and watch me assemble a shotgun, I just want to show you that this is how it comes in the case. This is the put together shotgun. It comes disassembled with the barrel off. The barrel fits in here. Both the barrel and the stock come in both a blue velvety bag as well as the bubble wrap on each individual piece. They are then put in here and they lie in here. So nothing crazy there. Interesting things about the shotgun. As well, you will find the little box, and this is actually pretty neat. I wasn't expecting this. The shotgun itself, if you notice, has an extended choke on it here. I did not add that. It comes with the modified choke in here. There's no grooves or anything on top. It's all just hand tightened. But the sweet thing about it is in this little box I just mentioned, it comes with pretty much an entire line of chokes, all the way from, improved all the way up to full choke. So pretty solid deal. Another thing inside this box is in the stock here, between the receiver and the stock, there is a little plastic shim. They give you about, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or so shims that you can actually continue to add to it to get that perfect angle in the stock and adjust it to your shoulder, make it more comfortable for you to shoot. Now, I've never used that. Pretty basic guy, I guess. Just put it to my shoulder, fire it, and it seems to work. Now, for you fancy guys, who knows? Maybe it'll help you out, get just the right situation. And then, of course, you have the manual. Now, here it's September 3rd, and on opening day for early teal, where I am in Wisconsin, I actually took this out and fired it. I was able to get 2, so that was pretty nice. I can tell you the gun feels nice. The barrel itself, I'm not familiar with this, but maybe some of you CZ long guys are, after doing a little bit of research. This is a Huglu barrel made in Turkey, and the CZ has the stamp here. And obviously, as you can see, this is a synthetic model. I got it for a marsh gun. I'm a kayak duck hunter, so this was something I wanted to be able to drag around, bang it up a little bit without having to worry, scratch up a nice wood shotgun. But other than that, it comes with a plug inside of it, and this was something I actually had to call them. I'm like, hey, I think you guys, it said it came with a plug, but if you've never had a CZ plug before, here's how it works. So I'm used to Remington 870s. In here, there's actually a little white thing. And all it is, the little steel plug, well, you should be able to pull it out. So I'm not going to sit here and play with it, but this little tiny thing, it's just a finger tight pull out. Not sure why it's not coming out now, but there you go. Another thing that the manual says not to do, so this is important. I'm one of those weirdos who reads the manual, is don't ride the bolt forward with the barrel not attached. And the reason for that is this is an inertia driven gun. So there's like a spring and then there's an arm back here. It's not your typical gas system. Why that's important is if you let it ride too far forward, and that's what will happen if the barrel's not in here, basically that arm comes out of alignment, and that causes a problem. Obviously your gun's not going to work. I actually did it, and I could not pull it back. It kind of scared me. I just read the manual front to back, saw that, and I said, well, there you go, there's a learning moment, right? Basically, I was able to jimmy my finger in there just enough to push it back in line, and then it worked. After that, I never moved it again without the barrel, okay? But other than that, I really like it. It did its job. It's certainly effective. I can tell you it fired smooth. To be fair, I only fired about 10 rounds with it. It wasn't a busy morning. I've never taken it to the range yet, So I hope to give you guys a little more information and feedback on it, but I can tell you I'm pretty pleased with it so far. It serves its purpose, and especially when you look at some other semi-auto lines, you know, the Benellis and the Berettas and all sorts of other ones. This is, I think, retailing close to $650, as somewhere around there where I paid for it. And I think it's a hell of a deal for what you get for it. So, got any questions, let me know. I'll do the best to answer them. If you got some comments, I said some things wrong, I'm sure I did. Feel free to comment below and let me know. So, have a good day, and go CZ.